The I-5 and I-90 interchange near downtown Seattle is a frequent hotspot for traffic congestion. To increase mobility on northbound I-5 through Seattle, WSDOT is making changes. Starting in late 2021, WSDOT moved a 1,500-foot section of barrier on northbound I-5 between Seneca Street and Olive Way. That creates room to add an additional through lane going from 2 through lanes to 3. This new lane will add much-needed space for the present traffic volume. Another change when the project finishes later this year will be the ramp onto the freeway at Cherry Street becomes an exit-only lane to Olive Way. Next, drivers will notice ramp meters at Cherry Street and the collector-distributor ramp to control the merge of traffic from I-90 and Dearborn Street to northbound I-5. The ramp meters turn on when traffic builds in the morning and stay on throughout the day, turning off when the evening's traffic clears. The meters pace merging traffic, breaking up groups of vehicles entering the freeway. This reduces the chance of collisions and keeps vehicles moving. Drivers on the ramp might experience a small delay, but overall congestion will improve. There will be 4 new electronic roadway signs to provide travelers with real-time information on what's up ahead. WSDOT uses proven smart technology, including cameras and sensors, to monitor traffic flow, providing information that our Transportation Management Center can use in real time to keep traffic moving. Until the project is finished, there will be overnight lane reductions. Once complete, overall mobility through this section of I-5 should improve. Traffic won't disappear, but this will create a more manageable merge. Please see links in the video description for more details.